Hello friends, today's topic, why retail investors fail to make money. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Motilal Oswal explains why retail investors fail to make money from stock markets. Veteran market expert Motilal Oswal, who is the Group MD and CEO of Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited, has cautioned that most retail investors are focusing too much on short-term trading rather than long-term investments. This has led to potential losses in India's increasingly volatile stock market. During his speech at a conference, Motilal Oswal mentioned that a very small number of people have actually made money from the stock markets. As per data and his observations, only people who have invested in mutual funds or stocks for long term have made money. He believes that the number of people who invest for long term is very small minority. He said that people have forgotten the fundamentals of the market and that money can be made only in long term by right buying into the right companies or maybe into mutual funds. But the problem, as per him, is that more people have become traders. He expressed his concerns that although retail participation is increasing with around 26% of Indian households have direct exposure to stock markets, most new investors are driven by greed rather than long-term saving goals. He cautioned that most retail investors are engaging in speculative short-term trading or investing in unknown companies, which often leads to losses. Motilal Oswal predicted that for the next couple of years, market growth would remain muted at around 10 to 15%. Motilal Oswal, who has around 40 years of experience in the market, and said that he has witnessed 4 cycles where the market fell by 40% in a single year. As per him, one of the main reasons for the current market correction is a slowdown in Nifty 50's companies' earning growth. He said that between 2022-24, Nifty earnings went up by CAGR of 26%. After 4 years of good growth in corporate profits, this year is quite dull and profit growth on average is expected to be only 4 to 5%. However, he said that despite recent market volatility, the fundamentals of both the market and the economy remain strong. Our observations and opinion about this particular topic. Number one, we agree with Motilal Oswal and many experts who have stated that only a small number of existing investors are focused on long-term investors. Most people want to become rich quickly and finally end losing all their capital in trading. 2. The system encourages trading. Since stockbrokers receive commissions, traders can take advantage of the greed in people by teaching intraday and futures, options, trading, and the government also earns more STT. Everybody else benefits from short-term trades except the investor himself. 3. When we talk about wealth creation, people must be thinking about who is going to wait for so many years. But finally, when they understand how markets work, they have not only lost money from trading but also lost crucial years of compounding to happen the long-term investing. 4. Stock markets is mainly for wealth creation. It is not meant for making a large amount in a short period of time. When you create wealth, it changes your life and most times the next generation will also benefit from it. At the end of the video, here is the question. What is your opinion? A. More money in long term. B. More money in short term, intraday and futures and options. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.